All right, in this video, we're going to be making a quick reference sheet. Well, it will look like this. It's going to be two-sided with all your symbols and some reminders about solid and dashed lines and your shading. And you're going to be able to use this reference sheet on the little quiz you're going to take before the end of the week. All right, so the first thing I want you to do to create our reference sheet is gather your supplies. I'm going to use a piece of paper and a couple different colored pens. You can do it all in pencil, but I figured color would be a little bit more fun. Next step is to take your piece of paper, and I want you to fold it in half, and then fold it to half again. And this will make 4 sections for us. All right, so now I'm going to unfold it. And on this side, we're going to start with just our symbols. So we're going to do the 4 inequality symbols, 1 in each box. So I'm going to start by writing less than. And then I'm going to draw that symbol. All right. Next, I'm going to do greater than. And I'm going to draw this symbol. Make that a little darker. All right, next I'm going to draw less than or equal to. So I'm going to write that out first. Less than or equal to. I'm going to draw the same symbol, but with a line underneath. And then last but not least, I'm going to draw greater than or equal to, and I'm going to draw the same symbol, darken that up a bit with a line underneath. All right, now let's flip to the other side. All right, top, I'm going to write solid line versus dashed line. Remember, our solid lines look like this, and I'm going to draw a dashed line as well. Now, what we should have noticed in Desmos when we practiced there was that the solid line was used anytime you had or equal to as part of the symbol. So I'm going to draw the 2 symbols with or equal to. Here's less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Both of those symbols will use solid lines. Then I'm going to draw dashed line symbols. Those are going to be the less than and greater than, the ones that don't have the lines. All right. Now on the bottom, we're going to save this space for when we shade above versus when we shade below. So I'm going to write shade above and then shade below. And just like we did with our lines, let's draw some pictures of what that looks like. So when I shade above, that's when I take my line and then do my shading up above that. And when I shade below, take the line and shade below that. All right, which symbols do we use? Well, shade above, those go with the greater than symbol. So I'm going to write the words greater than right below. So those are the 2 symbols, the regular greater than and the greater than or equal to, where you'll shade above. Shading below, that goes with the less than symbol. So I'm going to do the regular less than and then the less than or equal to. So in the future, you're going to be asked questions like this. If you took the line, y is less than 2x plus 3, do you shade above or below? Well, if I look at my chart, since it says less than would be shading below, and I would use a dashed line. Let's try another one. Y is greater than or equal to 6x minus 7. This one, I would use a solid line, since it's got the or equal to, and I would shade above since it's greater than. All right, now you have your completed reference sheet. Make sure you hang on to this and use this as you practice the problems that you're doing on the quizzes. You can use this on that assignment.